really feel like stir fry noodles today, so I thought I'd show you how to use Korean glass noodles to stir fry. So let's get started. For the ingredients, we will need 250 grams of Korean glass noodles, 200 grams of chicken fillets, 70 grams of spinach. I'm going to be using half a carrot, half a green pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, and half an onion. Let's begin by cooking the noodle in a pot of boiling water. The noodle I'm using will take 6 minutes to cook, so please check the instructions of your noodles. Give it a quick stir, and whilst the noodles are cooking, we can begin by prepping up ingredients. Cut the carrots into fine thin strips so that you can easily stir fry. Cut your onions into fine slices as well. Slice your peppers into fine slices as well. Cut your chicken into fine slices. Mince the garlic. Check your glass noodle is done. Drain your noodles into a sieve. And use cold water to stop the cooking process. In your wok or frying pan on a medium heat, heat up a generous amount of oil. Begin by frying in your garlic. Then add in your onion. Then when the onion starts to become translucent, add in your chicken. When the chicken is half fried, add in the peppers and the carrots. And stir fry for 3 minutes. Then add in your spinach. Then stir fry your spinach until it has softened. Once your spinach has softened, add back in your noodles. And quickly stir fry it in. Then add in 4 tablespoons of soya, and 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once mixed in, we're ready to serve.